Welcome to a very typical leafy Sydney street, although what's sitting behind me today is anything but typical. Today we're launching IKEA PS 2026 here on Australia Street, inside our IKEA PS Staycation home and in front of this incredible mural backdrop. And honestly, the setting feels pretty perfect for the collection. You've got this familiar Sydney streetscape alongside a home that completely challenges expectations, which really captures what IKEA PS is all about. Since launching in 1995, IKEA PS has been IKEA's most experimental design platform. It's where playful functionality, clever thinking, and democratic design come together to create pieces that surprise people while still working for real everyday life. 30 years later, and now in its 10th edition, IKEA PS 2026 still carries that same spirit. The collection is playful, functional, optimistic, and a little bit unexpected, but always grounded in democratic design principles. And to celebrate that history, we've opened the Staycation home for $19.95 a night, a little nod back to the year IKEA PS first began and a reminder that great design should always be accessible for the many, not just the few. So let's head in.
This is where we really celebrate the collection's most playful and experimental ideas. Fun fact, our very first exhibition of IKEA PS was shown in Milan in 1995. And this year the collection is all about movement. The collection is designed to snap, fold, bend, and transform. There's a real sense of playful functionality. Everything is simple at first glance, but surprising ideas have been built in. And while it feels expressive, it's still grounded in democratic design, which makes it accessible, functional, and made for real life. So let's step inside and see what IKEA 2026 PS collection looks like in a real home.
What I love about this space is how calm and neutral it is, because it really lets the IKEA PS 2026 collection do what it's meant to do. Bring colour, personality, and add a bit of unexpected joy into the room. The collection is designed to fit into real everyday life, but never in a boring way. It's very Scandinavian in its simplicity, but there's always this playful twist running throughout it. Pieces move, they fold, they rock, they transform or adapt, depending on how people actually today want to live with them. And that's what makes this collection feel so relevant right now, especially as the homes get smaller and people expect more flexibility from the pieces that they share their homes with. There's also a lot of humour and humanity built into the range. You've got a chair that unfolds into a bed, a playful periscope-inspired lamp, and these beautiful hand-blown vases that almost feel like little characters. Even the bedside table, inspired by a birdhouse, adds that sense of warmth and personality. Nothing feels cold or overly polished. It feels clever, optimistic, and very human. And that's really why we created the IKEA PS Staycation home. We wanted people to properly experience the collection, not just view it, to live with it, to interact with it, and understand how these pieces can genuinely shift the feeling of the space.
So welcome to the bedroom, where we will have our lucky house guests stay overnight. So we have a few things to show you in here, and we really want to zoom in on the textile collection, the cozy feel of this space. We can talk to some of the lighting. This is called the movable lamp, and you can move it around the room. And it just creates a beautiful warmth in this space with these incredible finishes. So one thing we can start with on the bed is the way that we've made the bed in the house. So we've made it specifically the way that Scandinavian or Swedish people would sleep in their home. And it's designed so that you can both have comfort. Depends on how you sleep. Whatever kind of sleeper you are, you can feel the comfort and have a wonderful night's sleep. The next thing we can talk about are the IKEA PS 2026 collection of textiles. These were designed by Michelle Armis. She has created these textiles using a technique called ink blooming, and it's meant to spread joy. And this is her interpretation of how you feel when you have the textiles in your space. So every piece of fabric has been randomly cut, which means that all of the cushions are different. She's also created this beautiful throw that you can use either in the living room, you can use it in a bedroom, it moves around with you. And it also has a beautiful rough edge finish, which adds to the comfort feel of it and the imperfect nature of the collection. She's also created the rugs in the collection as well, and these are using the same ink blooming technique. The one that I'm standing on is the red or orange feeling with the cream base. Very cozy and comfortable using the textiles from this collection.
Now to start small, one of my favourites in the collection, the trolley. Our homes are working harder than ever. They're multi-purpose. and constantly shifting spaces where rooms need to adapt throughout the day. And this trolley feels like the perfect companion for that. You can move it beside a sofa, use it as a bedside table, wheel it in and out of the workspace, or even use it for entertaining. It's the perfect rolling bar cart. It's flexible, it's mobile, and really uncomplicated in the best possible way. And then aesthetically, there's something really playful about it. The designer, Lex Pott, actually based the form on the idea of a wedding cake. You can kind of see it. It gives the trolley this sculptural quality where it almost feels quite decorative, even when it's purely functional.
Beautiful example of Scandinavian design. This is designed by Friso Wiersma. This is the shelving that collects. So it collects all of the beautiful things that you have in your home that you want to put on display. And what I love about Friso is that he is trained as a cabinet maker, and he's done some really incredible little touches here. Like the ends, he's painted in red, which is really typical of what you would see in lumber yards when we're drying timber. So another amazing example of shelving, this time pretty in pink, that adds a touch of color to the home. This one is designed by Ola Wilberg, and he has designed it to have the look of mesh and also include glass so that it protects all of those gorgeous things that you have inside the cabinet. There's some really nice little touches here on the handles. He has included a little hole so you can lock it if you want to. And then also, if you open up the cabinet, you can see that the shelves are adjustable, which is a bonus because generally they're locked in. And also there is attachments inside that allow you to add integrated lighting if you'd like to. Another example of beautiful Scandinavian design by Ola Wilberg. And he designed this bedside table, or side table if you want to call it that, by walking through his backyard and seeing the birdhouses in the trees. So he's designed the hole as a handle, which is one of his favorite features. And as you open it, it seems like a little bird house, and you can store your lovely things inside.
This is the inflatable chair by designer Mikael Axelsson, and I think it's one of the best examples of the thinking behind IKEA PS 2026. The whole idea started with using air as a material because it's something accessible to everyone. It's lightweight, easy to move around, and adaptable to different spaces, but still incredibly comfortable to sit in. Playful and experimental, but still grounded in real everyday living, which is very IKEA PS. This is one of those pieces that people keep walking over to play with, which honestly says a lot about the spirit of IKEA PS 2026. At first glance, it feels really sculptural and graphic, but then you realise how practical it actually is. What's clever is it's basically 3 different lights in one. So depending on how you bend and shape it, it can work as an uplighter, a spotlight, a reading lamp, whatever feels relevant to how you want to live right then and there. Especially in smaller homes, it's really important for things to do more than just one thing, and this lamp does exactly that. I love that it's not fixed or overly precious. You interact with it, you adjust it around your life, your mood, your space. There's also something really playful about the shape itself. It almost feels like it has movement or personality to it, rather than just being a standard floor lamp sitting in, the corner of your home. That balance between function and emotion is something that the collection does really beautifully. And for me, this piece really captures what IKEA PS is all about. Clever democratic design that solves real everyday needs, but still feels a little bit surprising, optimistic, and genuinely fun to live with. This table was designed by David Wall, who's really known for obsessing over mechanics behind objects and how people interact with them. What looks incredibly simple actually took over a year to refine, particularly the locking mechanism. The whole challenge was designing something that works against gravity but still feels completely effortless to use. And honestly, there's something really satisfying about that click when it locks into place. There's actually a huge amount of engineering and precision sitting behind that simplicity, which feels very true to IKEA PS. This chair was designed by Henrik Prutz and really came from observing how people actually live at home, especially in busy spaces where furniture gets used in all sorts of different ways. But it doesn't try to dictate how you should sit. You can sit forwards, backwards, sideways, lean over the back. It's very open and relaxed in that sense. Using really simple forms, he created something that feels flexible, inviting, and very human, which I think is such a nice reflection of the IKEA PS spirit overall. Every piece within the IKEA PS collection is designed to bring more joy, curiosity, and flexibility into everyday life. They're playful, surprising, and built to solve real living needs in clever ways. And this home brings that idea to life in the most immersive way possible. With 5 lucky guests and their friends staying inside across 5 nights to experience the collection exactly as it was intended. From bold experimentation to thoughtful everyday functionality, IKEA PS 2026 continues a 30-year legacy of democratic design, proving that great design can be accessible, adaptable, and made for the many.